Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character 斗 or 豆 step by step. I will first write it in regular script, then following 2 words and 1 sentence. Now let's write. Polyphone. 斗 or 斗 as 斗 means to fight, to put together. As 斗 means decorator. Pack. Cup or deeper shaped object. For example, 斗志 will to fight. Fighting spirit. Xing斗. Stars. Here is a sentence. In spite of numerous defeats, they still had plenty of fight left in them. 虽然他们失败过很多次，但仍然斗志昂扬。In spite of numerous defeats, they still had plenty of fight left in them. 虽然他们失败过很多次，但仍然斗志昂扬。虽然他们失败过很多次，但仍然斗志昂扬。In spite of numerous defeats, they still had plenty of fight left in them. 虽然他们失败过很多次，但仍然斗志昂扬。斗 in cursive. 斗 to fight, to put together. 斗 decorator, pack. 斗志 will to fight, fighting spirit. 星斗 stars. In spite of numerous defeats, they still had plenty of fight left in them. 虽然他们失败过很多次，但仍然斗志昂扬。斗 Okay, please comment any words or sentence with the character 斗 or 斗. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click the bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.